Before Flow 21, yung strategy is just me finding leads, parang gano'n. I had to find leads on different sources, Facebook, other social media platforms, gano'n. So, I had to make an effort, very huge amount of effort para
Yeah.
maghanap ng leads. Whilst when we had Flow 21, may ano, tawag nito, parang kasi 'di ba Facebook ads, so we created videos, parang instead of me focusing on finding leads, it's me nurturing them na lang, parang gano'n. Kasi andun ang leads,
Right.
automated na lahat. So
Right.
parang gano'n, naging mas efficient siya.
Okay.
So parang na-reduce yung effort at saka in terms of finding leads, ano na lang siya, mas nag-focus na lang ako on how to nurture them rather than finding and nurturing them at the same time.
Mhm.
Yung volume, I think more or less for sure I haven't reached 100 siguro before Flow 21. And after using Flow 21 for less than a month or a month or so, almost 100 or more ang leads na that we're accommodating. Parang ganun yung difference niya. So in siguro approximately 4 to 5 months, siguro dun ko pa lang na-reach ang 100 leads before Flow 21. After noon, a month or so, 100 plus na yung pumapasok sa Flow 21. Ang more on siguro hindi naman ako skeptic talaga kasi hindi naman ako, tawag nito, resistant sa change, 'no. Siguro more on kasi hindi ko more on the task at hand.
Mhm.
In terms of the onboarding, kasi 'di ba medyo madaming things to things to do. So yun lang siguro ang parang naging skeptic ako nung una. Pero during the onboarding, nakaya naman siya. Yeah, ang
What
daming
made
requirements, ganito, ganyan. I had to fill it in. Pero later part, nakaya naman siya. Primarily kasi siyempre that's really my job, naka-assign sa akin ang system, 'no. And in the long run sana, the long-term plan would be I have to familiarize the system and then onboard the others, 'no. Yung mga products nila isama na din sa Flow
Mhm.
21. So more on more on that's really my job, 'no. Nung una, well, kasi dire-diretso yung 'no, yung tawag nito, yung pasok ng leads. So, we had to assign other people, 'no, to handle the callings and all. Ako naman in terms of the virtual meeting, presentation. So, all is good naman kasi ang main goal talaga namin is to increase the leads,
Mhm.
'no. The more leads, the more, yung potential talaga na entities to purchase the product. So yun yung namin. Anyway, okey naman siya.
Got it.
So all in all, very good siya, in terms of lead generation and the automation, 'no, of the updates and all, parang gano'n.
So it's
Ako yung
working.
the best moment is really finding yung effort ko dati to find leads, na-delete talaga siya completely. Hindi na ako I'm not looking for leads anymore kasi the system is already giving me the leads. So all I had to do was to check upon those leads, na nurture them, and then close deals with them. Parang gano'n na lang. So parang isa talagang stage ng sales process ang na-delete. So it's really efficient. Yun ang pinakamaganda, efficiency. I was able to maximize output while minimizing input.